Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to add a product to your shopping cart in Meesho. To add a product in your shopping cart, first of all, launch open Meesho on your device and log in. Now go to the search bar at the top of the screen from the home page and type in the name of the product, or you can also search for the product through the popular searches category. Find the product you would like to add to the cart, and from the product display page, select the product by tapping on it, and at the bottom, click on Add to Cart. Select the size for your product and then click on Add to Cart once again. And then the selected product will be added in your shopping cart. To view your cart, simply tap on the cart at the top right, and there you have it. You can now adjust the quantity, remove item, or proceed to checkout. Remember that you can add multiple items to the cart before checking out. Double check your sizes, colors to avoid mistakes. So that's how you can easily add a product in your shopping cart so that you can shop later on Meesho. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.